Hey, we're back for round 4. Finally got a day to work on this thing. Been a busy week. I think it was Tuesday the last time I got to actually make a video about this cabinet. But we've been busy every evening. Wednesday was church. Thursday we had to make the journey to Walmart and back. Friday it was church cleaning night. Saturday we had a wedding. Today's Sunday afternoon. I decided to see if I could get a little stuff done. The sun's shining, but the wind's blowing really hard, so I'll go ahead and apologize for the noise of the wind, because you'll probably hear a lot of it. Wednesday I did get to put a few screws in all the corners here. I put them in each corner of the cabinet, hold the plywood down. Today I'm going to cut the trim boards. Go here, hide this edge, hide my screws. Try to work out some of this thin edge. I don't really like the look of plywood on the edge, so I'm going to take some 1-bys and try to cover everything up. Hide my mistakes. I think it'll make it look a lot smoother if it had all this trimmed out and it all one level. Well, time to get to work, I guess. Well, this is what I got going on. I put the trim board down here at the bottom. It was 4 1/4, so I had to cut it out of a 1x6. Different kind of wood, a little different color, but I went ahead and left it full height. That way it had a kind of a catch on the side. This and I cut down where it'd be smooth. Made a good edge, kind of hide the plywood color, all the layers of plywood. The strip I cut off, I put it up here. Again, it's different color, but we get done with it, we'll make it match a little closer. I think it hides the plywood better. Makes the cabinet a little heavier. Ain't completely decided yet. I'm thinking about putting a trim board on the inside to hide them screws. I ain't got this side done yet. Thinking about putting a 45 in here just to hide this area, but nobody will see how I put the screws in there. Kind of ugly. I don't know. It's gonna make the cabinet so heavy. It's gonna take a team of horses to pull the thing if I keep adding wood to it. I want to make it good and heavy. I want to make it sturdy. It's got to roll around. It's going to hold a lot of weight, especially if I put my KitchenAid mixer or something on top of it. Grind meat or grind grain or something with it. And I can cut the boards to the next side and make it look like that side I just showed you. I'll turn the camera back on and I'm ready to go. Well, I have my other pieces cut. I got these two, and I've got a strip to go up here. I've been air braiding them on there. I think it fits nice and snug. A little different color, but makes the plywood look a lot better. I can cut some inside strips to hide the screws, and I'll turn the camera on and I'm ready to put them in place. Well, I guess I got a little excited. I took some one before and a 45 did on both sides. Fit into the corners. Kind of tight. Get the camera. I done nailed the top while I'm thinking about the camera. Got to hurry. But it makes a lot better looking corner there. Just ain't nobody gonna see up high unless they get down on the floor to look anyway. It kind of rounds everything off. I'm gonna put the ones in the bottom. I just cut it out. Got them ready to go. Can nail them in place. I don't know much anything else to do. Oh yeah, by the way, update on the wheels. They showed up yesterday. United States Postal Service delivered them. They're a day early. I have to take back some of what I said. They actually got them here in about 6 days instead of 8. I guess that'd be the next step once we get all this nailed. Flip it upside down, put some wheels on it, and we're going to take it in the house, try it out. Make sure everything works the way we want it to before we finalize it. On to the next step. Well, I've got the little angled pieces nailed in. Got it flipped upside down out here on some plywood. I was going to show you the wheels I got. That was a Harbor Freight wheel with a lock. 125 pound capacity. I believe it was $5. I got 2 of them, and I got 2 that, like this. They was $3. Not a bad looking wheel, but I really like the $5 wheel better. I wish I'd have bought 4 of them, even though I didn't really want 4 locks. But the wheels is thicker. The axle built a little heavier. This looks like a better wheel. Didn't know. We'll find out how it works. All 4 are supposed to have 125 pound capacity each, so we'll need 500 pounds capacity with this cart. I'm done putting wood on it. I'm gonna put some wheels on this thing, and we're gonna take it in the house and try it out. But I get the wheels on it and get it where it'll roll. I'll turn the camera back on. And this will probably be the final video for a while, because we gotta figure out how we're gonna finish it. Whether it's varnish or shellac or stained a certain color, or we're still discussing that. Be back shortly. Somebody put way too much work in this. Put too many screws, too many boards, way too many pounds of material. I have to go get my son, see if he's willing to do a little toting. Yep. On to the next one.
Well, when I ask my husband for a shelf, I get a shelf. In this house, it's go big or go home, apparently. That's what my boys keep saying. Because I have made a wonderful shelf that's has wheels and can roll around. And it holds my totes for my flour and stuff. There's a nice countertop to work off of. And he built it up where it will go right up against the kitchen sink. Give me more counter space. It's still got to be varnished and sanded and stuff, but we're just trying to see what it looks like in the house right now. And I still got to decide what kind of varnish I want to put on it. I haven't fully completely decided yet, but we thought we'd let you see what it looks like in the house. Have a great day. God bless.